Hello there, this is Rishikesh from ServiceNow Simplified. In the last video, we learned about incident management, fixing things fast. Today, we are going deeper. We are learning how to find a root cause of recurring problems. So, they stop happening in the first place. This is the problem management and it's one of the most valuable skill in ServiceNow. Let's deep dive. Moving from reactive to response to proactive root cause, investigation, and business prevention, a guide for executive managers on reducing recurring IT issues and improving efficiency through problem management. So, for the today's presentation agenda, an overview of the strategic module covered in the problem management will be incident process problem management, when to create record, the problem form, lifecycle status, real business impact. Here's the question. What if you could fix one thing and prevent 50 incidents from ever happening? That's exactly what problem management does. Quick recap from last time. In the video 5, we create an incident. Remember, an incident is a when something breaks and needs to be fixed quickly. User can't access email, that's an incident. Printer not working, that's an incident. But here is what happened in the real world. Let's say on Monday, Sarah from accounting reports she can't access the company intranet. IT fix it, incident close. Tuesday, Mike from sales report the same issue. IT fix it again, another incident close. Wednesday, three more people report the same problem. That's five separate incidents in 3 days. All of the same issues. Now, fix IT could keep fixing these one by one, but that's insufficient. That's putting out the same fire over and over. Or it could ask, why does this keep happening? What is underlying problem? That's when you create a problem record. Problem management isn't about fixing symptoms, it's about finding the disease, it's about stopping incident before they happen. Okay? So, incident versus problem, the difference. Yeah. Let me this crystal clear. Let me make this crystal clear because this confuse a lot of for beginner. Incident management is something is broken right now. Fast it as possible. Get people back to work. Or focus speed. The primary goal is to fix the things as fast as possible and to get the people back to work immediately. For example, my laptop won't turn on. Yeah. The problem management, why does this keep breaking? Find the root cause. Fix it permanently. Focus and prevention. Yeah. For example, why have 10 laptops failed this month? Here is another way to think about it. Incident, my house is flooded up, help. And the problem, why does my basement flood every time when it rains? And the root cause will be, oh, there is a crack in the foundation and let's fix that. So you fix the crack once and the flooded stop forever. In ServiceNow, incident and problems are connected, but they are tracked separately. Today, I'll show you how. So, when to create a problem record? So, when do you actually create a problem record? Here is the key situation. Multiple similar incidents, if you are seeing the same incidents happen again and again, that's a problem. Major incidents, if critical system goes down affecting hundreds of people, you create a problem to investigate why. Recurring patterns, if something breaks every Monday morning or every time you deploy an update, that's a pattern, that's a problem. Next, unknown root causes. Sometimes you fix an incident but don't actually know why it happened. It create a problem to investigate. In real IT department, problem management prevents fires. Incident management put them out. Both are critical, but problem management saves companies time, money, and frustration in a long run. All right, let's create a problem. So I'm logging to my ServiceNow instance to make sure you are logging into the yours so you can follow along. Yeah, here we go. Let's look for the application navigator and search for the problem. And under the problem, we will have the many options. Yes, and we'll expand these options. So we will have create new, assign to, open unassigned. Yeah, all these options. Let's click on the all. Right now, it has some demo data in present in here. Some your instance might not have any data if you have not installed the demo data. Now let's create a new. A blank problem form opens up. This looks similar to the incident form, but with some different fields. Let's fill this together. Yeah. Okay. So just like the incident form, we have a number, and it starts with the PRB. For our scenario, let's say we have had multiple incident where user can't access the company intranet. Yeah. Um, let's say that users unable to access company intranet, and this is a recurring issue. Yeah. Keep it clear, concise. This is what people see when scanning the problem list. And we have a description. So let's go to the description, and we say that over the past week, five separate incidents have been reported where users cannot access the intranet. The appears to resolve temporarily but recurs invest, investigating root cause to prevent future incidents. Yeah. Sorry for the typo if you see somewhere. Okay. Now, in the real world, you would have the incidents that uh, that at how many incidents that this has caused, when it started, any pattern you have noticed, impact on business. Yeah, the more detail is better. Yeah, so we can put those all details. That will be very helpful. Yeah. We see the related knowledge articles. This could be helpful to do the first call resolution. Yeah, but considering that will not help. So that, and if we have any so we can create one parent incident for this and tag there, and we can origin that parent incident or one single incident here. Yeah, and that will be our origin task. Yeah, it's not just an incident, it can be a change, it can be a request. Yeah, network file shared. Then we can look for any star intranet, no incident. So anything. We can have the another change request which can become the origin task, or we can have the request which can become our origin task. Also, problem can be created from any that request, change, or incidents also. Yeah. So we'll have a category, so we can put the network, and then we can put any wireless, internet, or IP address. Yeah. For that. Yeah. So we will have the categories, so either network or software. Yeah. So let's select category, maybe subcategories. Yeah. Since about accessing web-based intranet, select the network or the software. Yeah. And then either works. So how urgent is this the problem? Uh, Unlike the incidents, yeah, the problem aren't usually the super urgent, so they are about long-term fixes. But if the problem is causing frequent incident, it's still important. Set priority something like so I would say medium and medium. So we'll set the moderate, yeah. So depending on our on your judgmental judgment, we can set the priority, yeah. Then we have the assignment group and assigned to. So who is the responsible for investigating this problem? In real company, you would have assigned is to the senior technician or a problem manager, someone who can do the root cause analysis. For now, let's find the right person. So let's say star network. Yeah, we can have the network group added here, and we can assign someone from this group. Yeah. For now, let's assign to ourselves as a system administrator. Um, Admin. Okay, so problem administrator we can assign here. Um, there we go. So we can also put some services, service offering, configuration item if we know. If we don't know, then we'll leave it blank for now and click on the submit. No, we did at the top right and click the submit. So ServiceNow saves your problem and takes you back to the problem list. There is your first problem record now, and you will see the problem number, short description, and current status. So users unable to access the company intranet, recurring issue. The status, what we see is the assess, and then the assigned problem administrator. Yeah, right now. Okay, so let's go and open the problem record again. Yeah. Now let me explain the problem life cycle. Yeah. So we'll go back here. So what we did, we go to the application navigator. We expand the module, the problem. We search there. We click on the new button and open the new record and assign the responsibility. Um, so now Uh, so what? Let me explain the problem life cycle. Yeah. So the status when we started, it is in new. The problem has identified, but not in assigned. But as soon as we assign the problem to someone, yeah, the status has changed to assess. Yeah. So the assess team is evaluating the problem and gathering the information. Yeah. So that's the mean of the assess status. Then we have next is the root cause analysis, the team actively investigating and the root cause. Yeah. Then we have fix in progress, so if the root cause has been find out, then working on a permanent solution to fix it. And as soon as we got the permanent solution and we apply the fix, we go to the result where we say that okay, the fix has been implemented. Lastly, we have a close. The problem confirm is to be fixed and no more related incident is there. Yeah. Um, in the real scenario, you would have move the problem through these status as you investigate. Let's update the problem to show being work on, and then the updating this the problem status. Yeah. So Um, let's say so we have some buttons to drive in. So let's say I go and click on the confirm that I acknowledge the problem. Let's work on the root cause analysis. Um, and then we work on the root cause analysis. So we go here, analysis that. Um, so there is no primary known error. There is so if we get so if while fixing, if we need to go and then provide the any workaround, so we can say that okay, go ahead, restart laptop or your intranet. Yeah. Likewise, we can put the details if you have any cause detail that this happened due to XYZ things. Yeah, so we can fill out this detail. Um, Either we can go and say that, oh, I accept the risk and move forward, or if we have the fix ready, so we can go and click on the fix. Yeah, we'll have to provide a fix note, what fix we found. Yeah, in the root cause analysis. Yeah, so we know the cause, so we say that okay, so we'll go and do uh, we'll go and replace XYZ thing and fix the problem. And we say okay, okay, yeah. So those details has been populated here now. Yeah. So we go now we are in fix in progress. Yeah. As soon as we say with this, so now we will go and do the replace and then uh, do that. Yeah. Reviewing server logs, network traffics, identifying cause, intermittent incidents. Yeah. And then uh, we'll go to the resolutions and we say that okay, that fix has been placed now. Just a hint that if we are saying that we're gonna replace the XYZ things, it will generate a new change request. Yeah, and change request. We require why we do the change is the to do anything additional modifications. We need a change. Yeah, so this can create a change request, and once change successfully complete after replacing the XYZ things, we can go and mark it as resolve. Yeah, this means that the user can go and confirm that the issue is fixed or not. Yeah, the reporter, the problem administrator. Yeah, and once he confirms that this has been fixed, he can go and click on the complete, or he can ask, okay, you guys need to reanalyze that. We still see that some issue is happening. Yeah, and it's not 100% fixed. Yeah, so we go and hit the complete, and that's how the our problem will go to the close. Okay, great. If you have any questions, you can comments me, and I will try my best to answer your all questions. Yeah. Um, so here are some fields that we have on the form, and then their details. So we'll go to the this is the submitting managing the problem, the status what we discuss. Yeah. So new the problem investigation, the assess, the root cause analysis, fix in progress, resolve, and close. All those details are here. Uh, Now let's talk about the real business impact. Yeah. So all right. So you have created a problem record and started investigation, and let's talk about why this actually matters in the real world. Yeah. So problem management saves time. If it keeps fixing the same incident over and over, that's a wasted time. Yeah, every incident required someone's to log it, someone's to fix it, documentation, and user downtime. If you fix the root problem once, and all those future incidents disappear. So problem management saves the money. Yeah. How? So user downtime cost companies money. If 50 employee can't access the intranet for an hour, that's 50 hours lost productivity. Fix problem permanently and that cost goes away. Problem management shows strategic thinking. In job interviews, if you can talk about the problem management, not just fixing incident but preventing them, you stand out. You're showing you think long terms. You are showing you care about efficiency and business impact. That's the difference between a junior IT person and someone who's a strategic. ServiceNow makes all these easy. It tracks the problem, links them to the incident, and help you documents your investigation. The tools are there. You just need to know how to use it then. Yeah. And now you do know. So what next? Your roadmap to building the complete IT service management skill set with your ServiceNow platform. Yeah. So you now understand the incident management, the problem management. You are building a real practical ITSM knowledge. In the next video, we are covering the change management. This is a huge. It's how company manage update, deployment, and system change without breaking everything. Yeah. You will learn why change management exists, how approval workflows works, how to create and track change requests, why this is crucial in enterprise IT. After that, we'll drive in service catalog, how the user IT request, assignment rules, automatic incidents routing, reporting and dashboard, tracking your team and performance. We are building a complete ITSM skill set step by step. Yeah. Okay, if you are getting value from these tutorials, subscribe now. I am uploading new ServiceNow content every week, all designed to keep things simple and practical. And here is my question for you. Have you ever deal with a recurring IT issue at the work? Sometimes that kept breaking over and over. And here is my question for you. Have you ever deal with the recurring IT issues at work? Sometimes that kept breaking over and over. Comment below and tell me about it. I'm curious what real problem you have seen. Next up, change management. That's a big one. See you there. Thank you. Subscribe, share, like. Thank you so much for the today.